Welcome to Infoveave. Here is a quick video on how to set up common dimensions on your Infoboard. A common dimension is shared column across multiple data sources on an Infoboard. It acts as a unifying key to enable filtering and drill downs across data sets. Ideal for mashups where data needs to be joined for better analysis. To apply common dimensions, under Setup, click Filters. Next click Add Common Dimension. Give an appropriate name to your common dimension, for example branch. Select the common dimensions across your data sources, for example, select branch from each of the data sources. To add the common dimension as an Infoboard filter, click the Common Dimension checkbox. To link the common dimension to a filter on your Infoboard under Configuration, select Common Dimension as the source and select the dimension. Save your Infoboard and preview your dashboard. Click the filter icon and select the branch common dimension. Select a branch, for example Bakersfield, Brooklyn, and Dallas, which will apply as a filter across the Infoboard. Thank you for watching.